Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to install shaders for Minecraft on your Mac. If you're tired of the vanilla Minecraft look and want to add some visual flair, shaders are the perfect solution. They can dramatically improve the lighting, shadows, water effects, and overall atmosphere of the game. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide to get shaders running smoothly on your Mac. We'll cover everything from downloading the necessary files to configuring the settings for optimal performance. No technical expertise required. But before we dive in, if you enjoy these kinds of helpful Minecraft tips and tricks, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips. It really helps support the channel and lets me know you want more content like this. Alright, let's get started. Section 1. Installing Java. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have Java installed on your Mac. Most Macs come with it pre-installed, but just to be safe, let's check. Open your terminal. You can find it in your Applications folder, under Utilities. Type Java, version and hit enter. If you see a version number, you're good to go. If you get an error message saying command not found, you'll need to download and install Java. I'll put a link to the official Java download page in the description below. Download the version for macOS, install it, and then try the command again to confirm it's working. Section 2. Downloading Optifine. Next, we're going to download Optifine. Optifine is a mod that optimizes Minecraft and allows you to use shaders. Head over to optifine.net. Again, I'll put the link in the description. Be careful, there are many fake websites out there. Make sure you're on the official Optifine site. Find the download section and download the version of Optifine that corresponds to the version of Minecraft you're using. So if you're playing Minecraft 1.20, download Optifine 1.20. It's important to get the right version, or it might not work correctly. Once the download is complete, you should have a .jar file. Section 3. Installing Optifine. Now, let's install Optifine. Locate the .jar file you just downloaded. Double-click it. This should open a window with an Install button. Click Install. Optifine will automatically install into your Minecraft launcher. If you get an error saying can't be opened because it is from an unidentified developer, you'll need to go to your System Preferences, then Security and Privacy. In the General tab, you should see a message saying the file was blocked. Click Open Anyway, and then try double-clicking the Optifine.jar file again. Section 4. Running Minecraft with Optifine. Open your Minecraft launcher. In the bottom left corner, next to the play button, you should see a drop-down menu. Click it. You should now see an Optifine profile. It might say Optifine, followed by the Minecraft version. Select that profile and click Play. If you don't see the Optifine profile, click on Installations at the top of the launcher, and make sure Modded is checked. Section 5. Downloading a shader pack. Alright, now for the fun part. Downloading a shader pack. There are tons of shader packs available online, each with its own unique look and feel. A popular one is SCUS Renewed, but feel free to experiment and find one you like. Just search Minecraft shaders on Google or YouTube and you'll find plenty of options.